One of the things that we talked about was, financial friend, right? We talked about having somebody that you can call that can wire you the needed money that you need to get out of a jam, and vice versa. We talked about a friendly deed. We talked about not leaving uh, things that are completely paid for at the assessor's office on the books that way, just for asset protection purposes. We just talked about a financial friend overall and developing those relationships. I know most of the people that are on this call or watched or will watch this call have won what I call the money game, right? So we feel like we have a financial wall that's built pretty tall, but there's always situations as we grow that it's always good. We kind of joked about it. Well, kind of joked about it on a number of different categories last call about building the ark before the rain came, right? So developing these relationships, this financial friend relationship before we need it, and being glad that we did and not regretting that we didn't, right?